So SaaS is dead. One of the biggest obstacle is like the connection. And the senior executives worked for Mitsubishi Shoji for like 30 years. A lot of connections in the company and also other, like if you're trying to target to enterprise, hire senior executives as a part-time.
Thank you for coming today. So yeah, you are Mori Kengo, right?
Thank you.
Yeah, and yeah, we are friends for 2 years, I think.
For 2 years,
Yeah, 2 years. Yeah, we met at HR Tech conference in Vegas.
Yeah.
And yeah, actually we are both serial entrepreneur from Japan. So
You have low batteries?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Anyway.
Okay.
So yeah, and we exchange a lot of idea about AI service and some stuff. So yeah, so thank you for coming today. And
Thanks
yeah,
for
I'm freaking looking forward to hear what you are working on, and what kind of stuff you are thinking. So yeah.
Okay. So
thank you for coming.
briefly introduce myself
Yeah,
first.
please introduce yourself.
Okay, but we took YouTube before this in Japanese, right? Like a different atmosphere.
Yeah, but the previous one was for me, right? So I'm interviewing you.
Okay, thank you.
So,
okay.
So you as a main cast.
Okay. So hi everyone. My name is Kengo Mori. I'm a serial entrepreneur too, and I founded a company which is HR tech company. It's like a continuous performance management software to do like performance reviews or goal settings, one-on-ones. I'm still actually doing that company too, but I also started my own company now. It's an AI consulting company, and I'm into a lot of like AI stuff like this Limitless or like Rosebud, or you introduced me a lot of service to me, so thanks for that.
Yeah. Thank you so much. So you have a lot of experience for B2B service to Japanese enterprise company, right?
Yeah.
But probably the audience don't know much about what kind of stuff you should do, or what kind of playbooks exist. So do you have any interesting topic
right
you
now
can share?
in Japan?
Yeah. For US startup to
come to
conquer,
Japan?
Japanese market, have great, bring great products.
Yeah, so like one of the things like and like is popular in Japan is like I read some articles that says like in the US churn rate is like higher than Japan, but in this
especially AI service, right?
Especially AI service too, and also SaaS service. But in Japan, the reason why the churn rate is low is like human, like customer success is very touching, high touch customer success. So that's why Japanese company doesn't stop the service. So maybe if you come to Japanese market, I think for my understanding, the B2B service, it's like not only by the products, but also the customer success is very important too. I don't know that's a good thing or not a good thing, but like someone says like people are using the service because they like the customer service people, not by the products. I think that's the difference in the US and Japan.
Nice. So do you have any specific episode or something?
Episodes, yeah. For High Manager, it's same. We were doing customer success, and also we were doing consulting too. So the reason why they use our software, it's called High Manager too, but like it's not only by the product itself, but also from the customer success and the consultants, by the consultings too. So we combine the software plus consultings. I mean, in other words, I can't sell the products only by the products. I needed to combine the consulting and the service software.
I see.
Yeah.
But the job title is a little different, like customer success and consultant is different, right? But you kind of mentioned both aspects is important. So what kind of person can do this kind of great job?
You mean consultings or customer success?
I mean,
both.
So from in my understanding, both aspects is important, right? I mean, customer success for the product aspect, and consultant who understands their business and their KPIs and stuff. But someone who can do both is pretty rare, right, in the market. So how how you can find those people, or maybe you nurture those people. So what's the solution for that?
Oh yeah, I think that consulting is like the consultants has more domain knowledges. Like for me, it's like creating their own performance review system, like the gradient system, like how to get A or how to get S. Or have you ever evaluated by someone?
Oh,
like
that's a
get
good
performance
question.
review? No, right? You get performance review? Maybe by
I
DMM.
mean, I saw my company, so as a kind of, one of the executives in the group, in the holdings, I got some review in a way, but it's almost the evaluation to our business, and it's pretty strongly connected to my evaluation. So probably it's not normal HR evaluation.
Yeah, because I realize you actually haven't done salaryman stuff in Japan.
Actually, no. I mean, I did internships.
So okay.
In a way, maybe.
In the States, right? We're in Japan too?
Well, in Japan too.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
But anyway, probably it's not normal.
Okay. Now I see. Yeah. Well, anyway, so it's like creating those kind of performance reviews. The consultants has like deep domain knowledge of like HR consultings, but customer success is like more like understanding the product itself, and maybe and like understanding client business too. So I think the consultants need to have some specific domains knowledges. I think that's the difference between consulting and customer success.
Probably from the perspective of US startup, who we should hire is the question, I guess. So do you have any advice about that?
Like when they come to Japan?
Yeah.
Or, okay.
Yeah.
I think
like someone from this company, or like someone who has experienced this kind of stuff. Or,
if it's like B2B company, I think you gotta hire someone that previously did enterprise sales. I think it's like a high manager is like for SMB, so it's not enterprise, but like if it's a B2B service, I think enterprise is a very big opportunities. And then like selling the products to enterprise companies is different. So they don't have access to it, and they don't know how to sell it, they don't know how to talk to it, so to them. So I think like hiring the people who did enterprise sales is very important.
I see.
Yeah.
From your point of view, are there any unique aspects in Japanese enterprises, like like nomikai, or like going to nomikai, or
I think
kind of unique.
Yeah, episode. For me, so like it's like high manager is for SMB. We don't have much connections to enterprise company, so one of the biggest obstacle is like connections. So enterprise company just not put their numbers or contact info on the form. In Japan, oh, you leaving? Okay. So I think one of the things that Japanese company who are trying to reach to enterprise is like they use common, like how do you say it? I don't know.
Like coach, executive coach.
Executive coach.
Like senior executives.
Senior executives. And the senior executives like might be like, worked for Mitsubishi Shoji for like 30 years or something, and they have like a lot of connections in the company, and also other industries too.
You mean alumni of those?
Alumni,
big company, like Mitsubishi, right?
Yeah. So like, in Japan, like if you're trying to target to enterprise, like a lot of company is hire senior executives as a part-time to get appointments too. So
even though you are going to SMB, is it the same or totally different?
I think it's different. I think it's different because like mostly our marketing strategy is like going to HR exhibitions. So and then have a booth in it, and then SMB maybe their CEOs are come in or head of HR come in, so we can talk to, So, but I can't just reach to any enterprise company in the booth.
I see. I see. Very interesting.
Mm-hmm.
So from your point of view, probably you know a lot about AI products too, right? So do you have any kind of opportunities like this kind of AI products has pretty strong needs in
Japan,
Japanese
right?
market, right? That kind of opinion do you have?
Yeah, I think the Palantir is like very I think famous and popular now in Japan. I don't know why this timing, because but a lot of people talks about the FDE. FDE is for development engineers.
For the
Deployment
engineer,
engineers.
I think, yeah.
Okay. So in Japan though, for a long time, the SaaS is the king. We don't customize. We just sell the products, right? We don't send the engineers to the clients. But FDE, the engineers are going to the office and then they customize the service. I think it's a new thinking in Japan now. But we have SES or SE, like system engineering services, that sends the engineers to the clients. So I don't know the difference. But a lot of people talk about the SaaS is that. Now it's FDE. But for me, it's like how it's different from just SIers. Fujitsu, Hitachi, a lot of SIers company in Japan. But so like FDE is very popular now, I guess.
I see.
Yeah.
Do you have any hypothesis why it's happening now?
I think like I think it's like so SaaS is dead kind like in a market wise. I mean we have like a 30 times PER used to. If if there's a profit like 30 times evaluations used to like 3 or 4 years ago, but now it's not that. And I think like
so it means the revenue of pure SaaS company can't be so high.
It can't be so high.
I see.
Can't be so high.
They have to bundle like consultancy aspect in their service.
Yeah.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, and also like so Palantir is like so we kind of believed if we sell the software we can customize to them. But the Palantir does is like they combine customize the services to each client. So I think that's a eye openings for us. And then now AI is coming, so it's now easy to write code, easy to customize. I think like a lot of like companies, especially for targeted enterprise, might do kind of software plus customized consultings. In Japan, in the HR industry, have you ever heard of Talent Palette?
Yeah.
Talent Palette. Yeah, Talent Palette is like big unicorn companies in Japan. They do customize to the clients, and it used to be, it's like back in 3 or 4 years ago, it's not the right thing to do. SaaS no customize, but like they're doing customizations for a long time, and then their stock is very high now. I think so. For me, it's now high manager. We're targeting SMB, but we are actually creating the products to the clients for them, using high manager like AI solutions. But they don't use our software, SaaS, but we create it for them. And now it's easy because like a coding cost is getting low. Maybe that's why, FDE is more popular. It used to be like we need to send a lot of like software engineers, and in Japan like software engineers quality is low, especially for like like people says like SES engineer is.
Yeah, so it's different from
product engineers. Yes.
Yeah, system engineers.
Yeah. Sorry that SES engineers might be seeing this, but yeah. But so what the Palantir does is like what I heard is like the engineer is great. So in Japan, like we send like 10 or 20 engineers to the clients. We charge them, right? But Palantir, they only send one great engineers, and then who are using AI a lot. So I think that's different.
I see. Yeah, probably the talent quality is pretty important, right?
Right.
I mean, probably they can, communicate well to the client,
Yeah.
understand pretty well
Yeah.
about the, how can we find, that kind of talent? Probably especially for, English audience, who can speak English too is important, right? Where can we find
In Japan?
In Japan, yeah.
Like engineers?
Yeah.
And then
I mean, yeah, who can be FD.
It can be FD, right?
Yeah, good.
Yeah,
FD.
because like for me, I feel like engineer doesn't want to go to client's office, right? For a high manager too, we have CTO, but he likes to code or he likes to think about the products by himself. So it's kind of rare to find engineers who can do good codings, plus going to the client's office and talk to them. So I don't know. Maybe, but like if the vibe coding level is getting higher, business side people will take over the place because business people can talk to the clients and have a good relation and then they vibe code.
I see.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. Maybe someone who is from IT consultant who didn't code but who understands the system
Right.
and now they can code.
Yeah.
So, yeah, that might make sense. Yeah, I see.
Yeah.
And you are currently working on high manager and your product too, right?
Yeah, I created a company called AI Native.
Yeah. So what's going on here and what's your motivation and
So yeah,
I mean probably your career is kind of interesting, like becoming a founder, so the company and now becoming individual developer. So.
Yeah. So I mean for me it's like I always wanted to be like an engineer. I was always wanted to create my own products, but I hate to code. I mean, like I even go to tech camp, which is engineering school, for and I paid by myself, but like, it's writing HTML, it's not for me. I mean. You like coding, right?
Yeah, I actually like coding, so I'm kind of curious why you didn't like it.
I mean, I like to create my own products, and I show a couple of them, right? So I like to do it, but like, what I felt is like it's
too many stuff to do.
Too many stuff to do, too many stuff to remember.
Yeah, and a lot of error you have to
a lot of errors,
conquer.
Yeah.
That makes sense. Yeah.
So
I understand it.
I stopped, creating by myself, but since then, I hire engineers a couple times, but I always wanted to do that by myself too. And then
you like creating product, but you didn't like so much about the coding.
Yeah. You like coding?
Yeah, actually, yeah.
Okay.
But yeah, I prefer current days like we don't have to. I mean the coding efficiency got improved a lot, right? So I like it. I mean I'm more, I like more about creating products.
Okay,
right? So
okay.
yeah, I totally understand.
Okay,
Yeah,
great.
Yeah. Nice.
So now is a really, great time because like I can create products by myself if I want to, So I created a couple of them, right? I created the Mahjong tracker service, dorming tracking service, and then limitless life log service. I am going to create some products to high manager clients too. I will do vibe coding, and the engineers will check. So I'll be like a junior engineers for them. So now it's great. Yeah. I'm doing coding for like Python to analyze the CSV data, and so like coding skills is like good for business too. So yeah.
I see. Do you have any plan about introducing tools to your customers?
Clients?
Yeah, maybe the audience might have their own product, and there's someone who might want to partner or something. So you might be
Thank
working
you.
on it, or I don't know. What's your start?
Yeah. I mean, I'm creating two type of products, right? First one is like for myself, like a domain service or Mahjong service. But if other people wants to use it, they can just use it because like they can just sign up. But I'm also creating the B2B products too. It's called AI native. Yeah, it's called AI native OS. OS doesn't mean much meanings, but like mine is like not OS, but like it's like combinations of a lot of tools. But I want to create some AI to support the CEO, what to do. So like the service will put the finance data, they put the sales data, put the meeting minutes, and then AI will tell what to do. As I told you, I'm also starting my new companies, but I don't actually know what to do for a new company. I just want to have someone who can run the company instead of me. So
I see.
I'm trying to create. It's I'm saying OS, but it doesn't actually OS. It's just the combinations of like.
So it's like
getting
hub
data.
All the data
Yeah.
about the company.
So I'll put a lot of data in it, and AI will tell what to do. So that's what I'm creating. So
I see. Yeah, that's definitely needed. I mean, I also run the company, but too many complicated stuff. So yeah, I understand it. Yeah. So yeah, thank you for coming.
Okay.
Yeah, it was great talk.
Okay.
Yeah, good luck to your product.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Appreciate it.
company.
All right.
Yeah, bye.
Okay. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.